Hello, children. How are you all? I know you all are good and healthy and enjoying. And I'm sure you're watching my videos also. Okay, today I'm not going to ask you whether you are following all the precautions. Are you washing your hands or are you staying indoors? Do you know why? Because I know that you already know all these things and you are following them. And you are also telling other people also in the family that please wash your hands frequently. Yes or no? Yes. Now you are very intelligent children. I know that you remember all these things and you are following them. Now tell me, does anybody remembers what did we do last time? We did short, long, short, long, short, long. Now you remember that. Okay, did you watch the movie which I told you to watch? If you haven't watched, then please tell Mama that please show me Pinocchio movie or Rapunzel movie. Okay? Okay, now what do I have for you today? Okay, can you see the wall at my back? Can you see that? Okay. Can you see this blue square? This blue square? Yes? Okay. Now, let me show you this square. Can you see this one? Yes? Okay, now tell me, what is the difference between these two squares? That square is also blue. This square is also blue. And that is also a shape, square shape, and this is also square shape. What is the difference? The difference is this is looking big and that is looking small. Do you know why is that so? Because that square is away from us. That square is away from us. Away is far. Away is far. जब कोई चीज हमसे दूर होती है, अवे होती है, then we say it is far from us. And when, like this square, when something is close to us, when something is close to us, we say near. So this square is near to us and that square is far from us. That is far, this is near. That is far, this is near. Okay. Now, can you see a house on the wall? A picture of house on the wall? Yes? Okay. Now see this picture. Which one is looking big now? Tell me. I will keep it here, then you can see it. Which one is looking big? With the one which is close to you. Which one? Close to you. Close means near. This is near, that is far. This is near, that is far. When things are near to us, they look big. When things are near to us, close to us, they look big. And when things are far from us, they look small. They look small. Far, near, far, near. Okay. Now, can you see this mirror and can you see a bottle on top of that? Yes? Okay. Now see this bottle. Which one is looking big? This one. And now you tell me, why is this looking big? Yes, you've guessed it. Because this is near. That is far. Near, far. Near, far. When things are near to us, they look big. And when things are far from us, they look small. Okay, now I'm going to show you a video regarding this only. In this video also, two people are talking about stars. Why do they look little, and are they far or are they near? So see it carefully.
Beautiful twinkling stars. Wow. Hi, Mr. Sam. Hi, Mr. Ling. What are you looking at? I'm looking at the beautiful stars. I really wonder why are they so small? They are not small. They are very big. They appear to be small because they are very far away from us. Far away from us? Yes. Can you see that clock tower? Can you see that clock tower? Yes. That is far from us. Far from us? I'm not able to understand. What is far? Okay, I will explain again. Now we are standing close to each other. We are near. Now I will go away. Now I am far. Now again I am near. I am far again. Near. Far. Far. Oh, now I have got. I got that. I got that, Mr. Sam. I got that. That.
Now, children, you have seen the video. You must have understood that why these stars and moon and sun they look small. Actually, they are very big. They are very big. But they look small just because they are very far from us. They are very far from us. And all those things which are far, they look small. They look small. Okay. Now, have you ever been to Air Force Museum, or have you traveled in aeroplane, or have you seen an aeroplane? Yes. Aeroplane is very big. It is very big. It is bigger than the house also. जितना big आपका house होता है उससे भी big होता है aeroplane. And many people can sit in it. Many. 400 to 500 people can sit in it. But when it flies in the sky and we look up in the sky, do we see it so big? No. It looks like small toy aeroplane. It looks like toy aeroplane. Why? Because it is far from us. It is far from us. That is why it looks small. It looks small. And birds, when they fly in the sky, do you see them? How do they look like? Have you ever seen? They look very small. And we don't even come to know which bird is that, whether it is a pigeon, parrot, sparrow, eagle, what is it? We just feel that something is flying. They look very tiny. And there is one more thing which flies in the sky and which we fly on 15th August. Do you know what is that? When we celebrate 15th August, Independence Day, we fly that thing. Yes, it's a kite. Okay. This kite is smaller, otherwise kites इससे भी big होती हैं. इतनी big kite जब sky में it goes and we fly it in the sky, how does it looks like? It looks like this in the sky, very small, just because it is far. बिकॉज काइट हमसे बहुत फार होती है इसलिए वो बहुत टाइनी लगती है. What does it look like? Very tiny. Okay, now once again, far, near, far, near. Okay, when we are in the class, does ma'am needs a mic to talk to you, or do you need a mic to say anything to ma'am, or ma'am can hear you properly in the class? She can hear you? How and why? Do you know? Because when we are in the class, we are close to each other, we are near to each other, and when we are near, we are able to hear clearly and easily. Yes or not? Okay, I'll give you an example. Like when there is a special assembly and we go to the auditorium, there does ma'am speaks with the help of mic or she speaks like that? She takes mic. Why? Because in the auditorium you are sitting far from ma'am. You are sitting far from ma'am. That is why the voice doesn't remain clear and you cannot hear clearly if you are far. हम फार होते हैं तो हमारी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं होती. दैट इज वाई वी यूज माइक. दैट इज वाई वी यूज माइक. और समटाइम्स वी शाउट सो दैट हमारी वॉइस वो सेकेंड पर्सन सुन सके. ओके. Okay, when you are in the class, you are with your friends. You are sitting with your friends, and at that time you are near to your friends. At that time you are near to your friends, and you are near to your ma'am. Yes? And now, when we all are sitting in our houses and we are not able to meet each other, then what are we? We are near or far? We are far. We are far. Children, now I am going to show you a video in which a family is traveling to a far off place and they are singing a song, and it's a very interesting song. Please listen to it.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game. Look at where we are. Won't you look with me and tell me what you see driving in the car? What do you see?
An eagle!
What do you see?
A deer!
What do you see?
A lake!
What do you see?
A rainbow! It's so much fun to drive so far. Let's look outside and enjoy the pretty ride driving in the car. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Let's play a game. Look at where we are. Won't you look with me and tell me what you see driving in the car? What do you see? A cactus! What do you see? A tumbleweed! What do you see? Rocks! What do you see? A train! It's so much fun to drive so far. Let's look outside and enjoy the pretty ride driving in the car. Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game. Look at where we are. Won't you look with me and tell me what you see driving in the car? What do you see?
A barn!
What do you see?
A windmill!
What do you see?
A cow!
What do you see?
A tractor! It's so much fun to drive so far. Let's look outside and enjoy the pretty ride driving in the car.
Children, if you have to go to your neighbor's place, how do you go? You go walking. Yes. Why? Why do you go walking? Because it is near. Because it is near. And if suppose you have to go a little far, like market, then how do you go? You go by car. Okay. Now, if you have to go more far, then how do you go? We go by bus or metro. And if we have to go very far, then we go by train. And suppose we have to go very far, another country, then how do we go? We go by aeroplane. We go by aeroplane. And there are few people who go to space also. And space is very far. That is where the moon is, where we can see the stars, moon, sun. That is called space. Across our earth, that is space. And if we have to go to space, how can we go to space? Do you know that? We go in rocket. We go in rocket. We go in rocket. And who goes to the space? Do you know their name? Astronauts. Astronauts go to the space. Okay, I want to talk about something today. आप सबने मम्मा को पापा को सबको कहते हुए सुना होगा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग होनी चाहिए. डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ इट? Okay, today we will discuss that. In social distancing, we have to be at a distance. We have to be far from each other. We have to be far from each other. Not very far, far from each other. हमको एक दूसरे के नियर नहीं रहना है, far होके रहना है, little far. If we will stay near to each other, then if somebody sneezes or if somebody coughs, then you can catch the infection. And what is infection? Infection is when you get infected and you get sick. When you get sick, that means you are infected. So, social distancing means we have to stay far from everyone. किसी के near close नहीं रहना है. Because if we will stay near or close, then we can get infection. We can get coronavirus. So we have to be careful. And I know children, you are very smart. You will follow this and tell other people also that near नहीं रहना है, आपको थोड़ा far रहना है. Because we have to follow social distancing. Once again repeat with me, social distancing. और अब आपको कोई भी near दिखे, you have to tell them. No, don't get near to people. Stay at a distance, far रहना है, because we can get coronavirus. So, you will tell everyone? Very good. Okay, now I have one more video for you in which I have shown few objects which are near and few objects which are far from us. And how do they look? You have to see carefully. Okay? Parents, today we did far and near concept. And I have a few games in my mind. If you can play with them, they will love it. You can play Ludo with them. They will get a sense of near and far when they're about to reach the destination. Then you can play touch and run, in which they will come near you, they will touch you, and then they'll run away. You can play four corners with them. Like if the space is less, you can place four different objects as corners and they can play it. And please discuss with them about the relatives who are staying near as well as who are staying far, so that they will have an idea how much time does it takes and who stays near and how do we go to a near place and how do we go to a far off place.
A ship which is near looks big, and a ship which is far looks small. In the first picture, a circle is near the triangle. In the second picture, a circle is far from the triangle. In the first picture, a house is near the car. In the second picture, a car is far from the house. In the first picture, a boy is near the door. In the second picture, a boy is far from the door. A teddy which is near looks big, and a teddy which is far looks small. A boy is near the ball, and a boy is far from the ball. The boys are near to each other, and the girls are far from each other. A boy is near the kite, and a kite is far away. A boy is near the TV, and a boy is sitting far from the TV.
Thank you, parents. See you next time with more topics.